new YouTube video, and today we are unboxing these, whatever these are. Okay,
Yeah.
so I will be going first, and then we'll be followed by this kid. Okay, no, I'm going first. I'm going first.
Go.
All right. So we've got the Fantastic Beast Dumbledore here. So let me just pop this guy out of his shell. Okay.
Sure, let me put mine out. Let me put mine out.
No.
Yes.
Okay. So we're unboxing them. Okay.
Come on, guys. We're building
these small things are really hard to get out.
Let's see who
You can really kind of
let's see who can build yours.
see them. They're
Let's see
really
who can
hard
build.
to see.
Let's see who can build yours first.
Okay, let's go, guys.
I'm already
okay,
building
so you
mine.
guys
I pretty much already assembled mine. This guy
put that in
is
there.
a bomb.
This is hard, guys. This is
really easy, guys. I'm pretty much done right now.
This is exceptionally
Oh my
hard.
god.
Oh my god.
Don't I dare. No.
This is
Oh
so
my god.
hard.
I just did mine. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this giga. Oh my god. Look at this guy. This guy's actually cracked.
Okay, so I'm almost finished.
This
mine,
guy
guys.
is a boss. He's
So,
so bad. No.
So I'm
Oh my god,
almost
guys.
done.
Look at my unboxing video.
Almost done. Make
This guy
sure
turned
to
from
like and
this
subscribe, and don't
into
forget to
this.
like and subscribe. All right, guys.
Unboxing video.
I'm almost done.
Unboxing video.
Almost done, guys. Look at that absolute giga Chad right there.
Yeah.
He's absolutely amazing.
Okay.
Anyway, thanks, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.